time to gear up and get ready to roll. Brandon wants his wheels in working order because he's a bike guide.
The 10-mile guys are going to go south.
A group called Bike Friendly Arvada hosts free guided rides twice a month from April to November. It's part of the city's goal to make Arvada even more bike friendly.
I think the city is very committed to biking.
Maybe it's time for you to join in. Try a family ride, rec ride, or sport ride. Check the schedule and sign up now at bikefriendlyarvada.org. We all have to share the road, and the city of Arvada plans to make it even safer for cyclists.
Essentially, it is meant to be able to serve the public ages 8 to 80.
Look for more detection zones. When you roll over that symbol, it sends a signal to request a green light. In the bike lanes, you'll see arrows to keep you in the right direction. And more shared lanes where cars and riders can coexist when a bike lane isn't available.
We've got a full set of Allen wrenches.
And have you seen the yellow repair stations around town with all the tools you need for a quick safety tune-up? It's all part of Arvada's bike blueprint for the future. Cyclists start young in Arvada. A new camp at Apex Rec Center teaches toddlers to skip the training wheels.
Go. Oh my God!
With special Strider bikes.
Cut! Hey!
And the city opened a free bike training center.
Great job, Ella. Keep going, keep going.
So all ages can learn road rules, skills, and safety.
I like it and it's fun.
Be it from the youngest riders on up to through our senior citizens. Arvada is committed to bicycles.
We all benefit: better air, less traffic, and overall a great quality of life. So come on, people, bike it!